make sure your products are safe for you and your customers.
All right.
And we love our customers. We're a review without our customers. Thanks, AFI customers. Love you. Hey, it's Katie here. Do you have a huge collection of perfumes and body sprays like me? There's so many to pick from, and sometimes it's really hard to choose. But recently, I've been feeling like there's some gaps in my collection that just can't be found on store shelves. My solution? DIY it. This formula's got it all, so let's jump into it. Okay, now that I have all my safety gear on, I'm gonna start off by grabbing my beaker. I already have it filled up with water. After that, I'm gonna be adding in my witch hazel. This is gonna help act as a toner for your body. Let's also go ahead and add in our glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant, which just basically means it draws in the moisture from the air, which will give our body mist a great feeling on our skin. Now that I have these three in, I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a good stir. And then after I am done mixing it in, I'm just gonna go ahead and set this aside for now. Now that I have that mixture set aside, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my polysorbate 80 so I can prepare my fragrance and emulsifier mix. Because you get to customize this any way you want, don't be afraid to try something a little different. I went ahead and grabbed AFI's Mango Tango. I'm just gonna go ahead and start to pour in my fragrance. I'll be doing a teaspoon and a half. Oh my gosh, I can already smell it. This is the bomb. Such a great fruity smell. Now that I have these two in the beaker, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my stirring utensil again and make sure they're mixed up really well. Okay, so once you're sure that this is mixed in really well, you're gonna wanna go ahead and grab that mixture that you set aside, your base. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my fragrance and emulsifier mix and add this to my base ingredients. Before you pour, you're gonna wanna make sure that you're stirring at the same time. Okay, now that I'm done pouring, I'm gonna make sure that I really am focusing on getting a good stir to make sure it is all homogenized. Awesome, now that we have that done, we wanna make sure we grab our preservative. We need to make sure we add our preservative into this because it keeps any of that icky stuff from growing inside of this, because who wants that? There we go, that's good pour. Okay. Now that we're done with the preservative, we're gonna go ahead and add in some mica powder to spice things up. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna grab my stirring utensil again and give this a good little stir. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that color is perfect. Oh, the glitter's so fun. That's definitely the extra edge that I want in my body mist. Okay, now we have this all mixed up, we're gonna grab our packaging, and I'm gonna be using a funnel just so I can have an easier pour. Oh, okay, perfect. This was super easy to make and even easier to customize. You'll definitely wanna add this one to your line. It only cost us about $1 to make per spray bottle. It can be sold wholesale for $2 to $4 and retail for $6 to $10, depending on the level of customization. We hope you enjoyed this DIY, and we're so happy you followed along with us today. Make sure to check out all the other projects we've done in our DIY playlist for more content just like this one. Support the AFI team by liking our videos and subscribing to our channel. Become a member of our notification squad by ringing that bell. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!